Hello friends, in this video I explain questions of our database question list. This is my 31 question. So now we see our question. The bill book system is used to keep the information of the bills of the shoe store called Aurelius Shoe Center. This method is used for a long time, but using this method will be embarrass the shop owner and employers. The accountant working in the shop point out the shop owner to disadvantage of the bill book system. The disadvantages pointed out were the loss of the bill books, damage to the bill books, and the need for the separate space for the storing bill books. Because of these facts, the store owner realized that the bill books system difficult to use and decided to use the computer software. The software was developed by AISoft, a software engineer developed company. You work as a senior software engineer at this company. You and your team are tasked with the created database for this software. Create the database ER diagram for that. To do this, follow this instruction below. Name the database as Aurelius Shoe Center. So first I open my workbench. Then I create a new module. I rename the database name Aurelius Shoe Shop Center. Then I open my ER diagram. Now we see our first question. Create a user table for storing the information of all the customers and all the suppliers in this store as shown below. I create a table. Table name is user. First column is user ID, integer, primary. Second column is first name. Data type is varchar. Length is 45. Third column is last name. Data type varchar. Length is 45. Fourth column is contact number. Data type varchar. Length is 10. And last column is date. Data type is integer. So I create my user table like this. Now we see our next question. Create a gender table for storing the gender of all the customers and all the suppliers in the store as shown below. Now I create the gender table. Table name is gender. First column is gender ID, integer, primary key, auto increment. Second column is gender name, varchar 10. So I create the gender table also. Then we see our next question. Create a table name user type to store the type of software users. To do so, use the instruction below. So I create the user type table. Table name user type. First column is user type ID, integer, primary key, auto increment. Second column is user type name, data type varchar, length is 45. Now we see our next question. Create a system login table to store the login details of software users. So I create the system login table. First column is login ID, integer, primary key, auto null. Second column is username, varchar 20. Third column is password, varchar, length is 45. So I create table called address to store the address of the software users to use the instruction below. So I create address table. First column is address ID, primary key, auto increment. Second column is number, varchar 45. Third column is street 1, varchar 45. Fourth column is street 2, varchar 45. So I create this address table also. Now we see our last question. Create a table called city to store the cities of the software users address. To do so, use the instruction below. So I create the city table. First column is city ID, primary key, auto increment. Second column is city name, varchar 45. So this is our answer to the question 31.